So exercise, exercise, exercise. Why is exercise so important? Why is exercise a superpower in today's age? Let's be honest. Our society is moving towards the direction of being incredibly sedentary. We can now work from home 8, 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day. We have cars if we do have work outside our home. We have cars we can drive to work, and then at work we sit there for hours, and then we drive home. And then whenever we get home, we sit in front of the TV for hours on end. And if we want to have dinner, we can order dinner. We get a delivery, come straight to our house. We don't have to leave our house. If we want to say find a partner, intimate partner, we no longer have to go out, work on our social skills, etc. We can just go on Tinder and meet people that way, and they can show up at your house. So we're just getting to the stage where society is moving in the direction of just being very sedentary. And for a species like ours, for any species really, unless you're like a sloth, but even though they move, for our species to be so sedentary, it's really really detrimental for our health. We're missing out on so many good benefits from moving our body that in today's age, movement is a superpower. Especially things like walking, which is very underrated. Getting the steps in, it's a massive, massive superpower. It's great for pumping your lymphatic system, strengthening your heart, strengthening your lungs, oxygenating your cells. It's great for getting more serotonin, more sunshine, more vitamin D for your emotional health. With all the endorphins pumping through you, endorphins is actually one of the reasons why laughter feels so good, is because you're releasing endorphins, and you release endorphins whenever you move your body, whenever you exercise. So there's so many benefits from moving our body, and this video is just to inspire you to get moving and just pick an activity that you enjoy doing and just commit to doing that weekly or daily, whatever you can manage, and just set new goals for yourself. Set new goals. Climb a new mountain. So one of the goals that I've set for myself recently, I've done many like sort of challenges in terms of like fitness and yoga and trying to get the steps in. I really like walking, and I've done running challenges and stuff like that. And I love dancing, so there'll be times where I'd be dancing like almost like 7 days a week in the evenings. Um, so one of the goals that I've set for myself now is to be able to do 40 consecutive push-ups in a row. There's people who are hearing that, but like 40 consecutive push-ups. I could do that with my eyes closed. I could do that with one hand. I don't care. But yeah, I used to be able to do 40 push-ups in a row, and want to get back to that level. I've set myself the goal to be able to do like 100 push-ups in a row, but I've been just so demotivated at like reaching that like I've just kind of like just fallen off. But 40 is something that I feel is outside my reach, but is reachable. So I want you to set your goals right now. What do you want to accomplish, say, before the end of the year? If you are here, put it down in the comment section below. Let's start a movement. Make your goals smart. So make sure you have daily tasks you can do that can lead you up to the attainment of that goal. I've already got an app, push up app, that I do a couple times a week, and this will gradually increase my push-ups to the point where I can do 40 in a row. And I will post it here whenever I achieve that goal. The same way I posted the 5 minute plank that I did, that absolutely busted my ass whenever I did it, but I was so happy to attain it. So, with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Wishing you tons of health, tons of happiness, and yeah, peace.